need. Inside of the Quantum Wellness Portal, one of the sections is protocols. Some of you who have the AO scanner, you have lasers, and some of you have wands. Once you've infused essential oils, I want you to go into the Quantum Wellness Portal, and I want you to go, there are two different sections inside of the protocols. One allows you to look at whole body. So let's look at condition charts for the light therapy protocols. So you're going to go here and you're going to find a condition that matches what it is that you're trying to balance. A physical condition. This is when you're taking it a little bit step. What we're doing right now is we are marrying emotional with physical. So you have the emotional imbalance and you have a physical imbalance, and you're using the synergy of all of this to work together. So let's just go with asthma for a second. When you get to this asthma protocol, you're looking at specific acupressure points on the body that will help when stimulated. It will help with that condition. What I want you to do is take your essential oil that you have now, and it doesn't really matter what essential oil is. It is. If you are an essential oil person, it matters to you, because if you're really into essential oils, you're going to probably get the essential oil that's best suited for that person. That's going to make all of this work a lot better. But you take your essential oil, put a little dab on it on your hand, and just touch these areas. Touch the areas that specifically correspond with the chart points, and put the infused essential oil on that point, and either rub it in and press it for a second, or better yet, if you happen to have a terahertz wand, these charts give you the exact points to use to stimulate it. So theoretically, even if you didn't use essential oils, even if you did not stimulate them or imprint the essential oil with something, if you've got a wand, you can just hit those specific points. I'm giving you a way to use flower essence therapy to make all of this go deeper. For those of you who are in a Solex community, you know that one of the things that we recently had added to our scanner was the ability to have the frequency of the emotion right along with the frequency that goes into the person. That's a huge key, that the emotions coming into balance at the same time that you're doing a treatment can make the treatment take it to a whole different level. A lot. And so I am an auricular therapist, and auricular therapy is stimulating acupressure points on the ear. I don't know if you've looked behind me in any of the wide shots, but there are these fake ears all around me, because every area of the ear has specific points on it that corresponds with points on the body. So I, in your Quantum Wellness Portal, have so many condition charts in here. So many people who use the Quantum Wellness Portal, they just use it for the food part. Like, you can go in and there are thousands of recipes in there, and you can find the recipes that you want and print them out. You can make your own meal plans. You can create your own shopping list. Some people only do that, and they never get over to this particular part of the Wellness Portal or these other parts. Everybody in the Wellness Portal just kind of finds their path, and some people only focus on one area. We also have sound therapy and things like that in there, so some people just stay there. But condition charts for the ear. So when you look at this, addiction. These are the points on the ear that, when properly stimulated, helps to bring about healing of that condition. So let's look at addiction for a second. So you've got Shin Men, you've got the sympathetic nerve, you've got the kidney point, you've got the liver point, you've got the lung point. A dab of essential oils on each one of those points helps to stimulate the meridian system in the body that's connected to those points. Now, if on top of that you have any of those lasers, then you can just take that laser. I mean, this is the laser that I use because for me, I'm trying to be very, very, very precise. When you put the essential oil in there, take the laser and then just put it right on top. And what you're doing is you're taking an essential oil that has been infused with a flower essence, And now you're taking a laser and you're pushing it into the body deeper that you like. So just a little bit about the Quantum Wellness Portal. We're dealing with thousands of recipes that are inside of the Quantum Wellness Portal, all dietary types. You can create your own meal plans. You can create your own shopping lists. You can email yourself recipes or email yourself shopping lists, email yourself your meal plans, and you can utilize that for yourself and your entire family. We have a bunch of imprintable frequencies. You just saw a little bit of it today. Imprintable frequencies. If you have a IC Glow Pad, you can use that. If you don't have an IC Glow Pad, you know what you can actually use? You can utilize your bone conducting headphones when it comes to putting it on the body. Utilizing the bone conducting headphones, you bring the stimulating with the vibration will bring the frequency in. I don't want to do that because it does not sound good. Frequencies don't sound good. So when you're utilizing the bone conductors, it's a way to do it, but I would suggest people grabbing a Glow Pad just to make life so much easier. Meditations, affirmations, creative visualizations, and sound therapy. All of these sections grow every single month. Every single month, we're putting new sound therapies in there. Every single month, we're putting new recipes in there. Every single month, we're putting new imprintables in there. Every single month, we're putting new PEMFs in there, new right frequencies in there. This just grows and grows and grows as we go. You're dealing with these charts that you just looked at. You have the photo puncture charts if you've got a wand. You have the ear charts if you just want to use essential oils, or if you've got some sort of a laser, that's there for you. All of that's there. Big thing, this training class that we're on, this was a $75 class. I will be doing classes like this about once a month. Members of the Quantum Wellness Portal never pay for these classes. They come along with having a membership. And these training classes are, and then you stay, as long as you are a member, you don't have to worry about paying for training classes. And now this part is rather new. Well, we have the Solex, our inner voice support. I have specific imprintables in there. For instance, for those of you who are in Solex, very often you have something that comes up for kidney all the time, or something that comes up for liver or heart, or various emotional imbalances. I've got a specific section in there that I'm growing more and more and more with specific frequencies to balance what continues to come up on your inner voice report. But starting on June 1st, we're starting with Cephi groups. Now, for those of you who are already members of the Quantum Wellness Portal, if you have nothing to do with Solex, you've got no idea what Cephi groups are. I can't explain it right now, but trust me, they are pretty amazing. We're going to start doing Cephi groups on June 1st. If you are a member of the Quantum Wellness Portal, you will never pay for a Cephi group. So everything is that you've seen there is included in the membership, but right now you can just try it out. No credit cards needed. Just kick the tires around for 7 days and see whether or not you're interested. You can go to www.drdarylwellness.com/trial. You won't even need a coupon code. Just sign up and you get 7 days free. www.drdarylwellness.com/trial. 7 days free. In case you didn't write that down, all of this will be inside of the downloads for you.